President Trump wants to lower the price of prescription drugs. Roll tape.
Our plan takes steps to derail the gravy train for special interests by ending Obamacare's twisted incentives that actually encourage higher drug prices. We will also demand fairness overseas. When foreign governments extort unreasonably low prices from U.S. drug makers.
I want to know if that plan goes into effect, will drug prices to me and my fellow Americans go down? Because that's what I want to see. So let's bring in Matt Eyles, America's Health Insurance Plans president. He's the president of that company, and he's all about health care. Matt, if the president's plan goes into effect, can you tell me definitively that the price of drugs will go down? Not stabilize, not stop going up so much, go down.
Stuart, there's a lot of great elements to that plan that the president announced along with Secretary Eyles. It will have more competition. It will stop gaming by pharmaceutical companies. It will give more flexibility to plans to negotiate lower benefits. Over time, we're going to see prices go down. We need some work that has to be done on the regulatory side, but we're really positive about this plan.
But actually go down. I mean, you're going to reinforce that, please, because we've heard for so long, there's all these plans, oh, we'll get the cost down, but it never happens. Drug prices don't go down, at least not in my experience. They don't go down, but you are telling us, yes, they will go down.
The administration is really focused on the list price and high list prices and getting those list prices down. Think about it this way, Stuart. If we're able to get competition for these really expensive biotech products that does not exist today, the president's plan, Commissioner Gottlieb at the Food and Drug Administration, Secretary Eyles are saying, we want to have these products out there that are really competitive with the high-priced biotech drugs. If we could see competition, we're going to drive down prices in a real way.
So this has nothing to do with price controls. It's nothing to do with government saying you get that price down. This is a market solution, correct?
It is a market solution, and we support having the market work. We want health plans, prescription drug plans to have more tools at their disposal to negotiate better deals in the private market. And this plan will offer that in Medicare. It will provide additional flexibility so that the games that manufacturers play, for example, by not offering significant discounts because they're protected in certain classes of drugs, we're going to get some real competition, and we'll see prices reduce on a net basis.
Now, what kind of time frame are we talking about here? Are you looking down the road a couple of years, or maybe by the end of this year, if some of these things are in place? What's the time frame?
Yeah, it's important to think about these in a couple of phases. So in the short term, efforts by the Food and Drug Administration to get generic drugs to market more quickly, to get some real rules around how to get these high-priced biotech copy drugs out on the market so that we can have substitution. We can see prices reduce in the short run, so by the end of the year, next year. Some of the other proposals that are out there are going to take a little bit longer to implement. The administration just put out a request for information. That's going to have to turn into regulations, so that's on a little bit longer of a time frame. That's a year or two out.
I just wish we could get the lawyers out of it, and then maybe we'd really get the price down. That's another story for another time. Matt Eyles, thank you very much for being with us, sir. We appreciate your expertise. We really do. Thank you.
Thank you.